Angel investor. What is angel investor? Angel investor invest in small startups and entrepreneurship. Very good. They are entrepreneurs of the family and friend. Usually, my family and friend invest in it. The capital angel investor provide one-time investment to help the business propel in difficult early stage. In the early stage, they want to achieve something, so they invest in it. Angel investor provide more favorable terms compared to other lenders. So interest rate is very less or no interest rate. You put the money and we reap benefit, we will share. Since the investor and entrepreneur starting the business rather than viability of business, essentially angel investor opposite of venture capitalist. This venture capitalist they ask for a share or something, but angel investor they will say you do the business, I will help you out. But sometime when you get benefits, you can share the return. Okay. Angel investors are also called informal investors, angel funders, private investors, seed investors, and business angels. So these are the angel investors. Angel investors use their own money, unlike venture capitalists who take care of pooled money from many other investors. So they put their own money and they also get money from others and they put an GoFund page and get money also. This is what angel investors do. True angel investor present individual, but entity that actually provides a fund may be a company, a business, a trust, or investment fund. So they can be a company. They also can provide to these angel investors. So these are the names angel investors. So angel investors are like a god who don't care about the return, but they provide you to help to start up. Such kind of investors are angel investors.